Friends, welcome to goonlinetrainings.com. We had seen what is binning, what is sorting, what is grouping. So completely customized grouping and binning, right? When to use a list, when to use bin. So all of them we discussed clearly. Now let us discuss on one more important topic, that is bookmarks and selection pane, right? So where can we use bookmarks and where can we use selection pane? So what is the importance of this? Let me quickly go to my Power BI. So already we have used our Power BI and created many reports, right? So these are the reports I've created. Let me close this. Let me get the new one. Okay. So whatever we have created. So in the last session, let me close everything. And I wanted to use one more visualization, right? So let me go to Power BI and get some data. What is the purpose of bookmark and selection pan means? So let me tell you what is the importance. సెలక్షన్ ప్యాన్ అంటే అర్థం ఏంటి? మన భాషలో మనం ఇఫ్ యూ వాంటెడ్ టు బై ఏ వెజిటబుల్స్ వాట్ యూ డూ, యూ గో టు ద షాప్, యూ సెలెక్ట్ ద వెజిటబుల్ అండ్ కీప్ ఇట్ ఇన్ యువర్ బాస్కెట్. సో ద షాప్ వాలా is going to be keeping some 10 to 20 varieties of vegetables కదా. బట్ మనకి ఏ వెజిటబుల్స్ కావాలో అందులో వేసుకుంటాం. సో వాట్ ఎవర్ యూ నీడ్ ఇట్ యూ కెన్ షో, వాట్ ఎవర్ యూ కెన్ హైడ్ ఇట్ యూ కెన్ హైడ్ ఇట్. సో దట్ ఈస్ వాట్ ఈస్ ది సెలక్షన్ ప్యాన్. సెలక్షన్ చేసుకోవచ్చు ఆ ప్యాన్ లో. క్లియర్? సో దట్ ఈస్ ద మీనింగ్ ఆఫ్ సెలక్షన్ ప్యాన్. సో వేర్ ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ వి గోయింగ్ టు బి యూజింగ్, లెట్ మీ షో యూ. ఐ విల్ టేక్ అడ్వెంచర్ వర్క్స్ and I create couple of reports, couple of visualizations, right? Let me go and explain some concept. Why bookmarks and selection pane? Details on bookmarks and selection pane and demos on each one of them. So, if you understand why bookmarks saves the current state of the report, show you subset of data. If you wanted to show subset of data or current state of the table, that is when we are going to use bookmarks. Selection pane will tell you what to hide and what to show. So there are two things: hide and show the visualizations in the given report. అర్థమవుతుందా? So what is that I would like to hide, what is that I would like to show? For example, I created a beautiful report. Okay, a beautiful report. Two people came. If two, for example, a simple example I'll give you. There is a vegetarian guy, there is a non-vegetarian guy. Okay, you're invited. You're inviting them for the party. So you have prepared vegetarian food and non-vegetarian food. So everything is available on the dining table. Okay, so you have veg food, you have non-veg food. So if the vegetarian comes, what is that you would like to hide? You would like to hide the non-veg food. So what you do, you take the non-veg food and you hide it so that the vegetarian guest can see the vegetarian food. When the non-veg guest comes, you would like to hide veg food. So you would like to show the non-veg food, right? So if you have a Indian food and American food, so American comes, you wanted to highlight or the show Indian food. When the American comes, American food. When Indian comes, Indian food. So, but all the food is available in your room itself. So, hiding and showing can be done. What is that you would like to select and show? That is what is called selection pan. Clear? So, when the American comes, you wanted to hide what? Indian food. When the Indian comes, you would like to hide and you wanted to show the Indian food. Clear? So with the help of a bookmark and selection pan, we can do all these things. That is the simplest thing that you can easily understand. Clear? So not very complex, it's very very easy. So bookmarks are going to give you the saves the current state of the report, show you the subset of data. So in this bookmark, I can say, India. I can create a bookmark called India. I'll create a bookmark called America. So when you click on the America visualizations or America food will be shown. When you click on India, India food will be shown. That is the current state of the food. అర్థమవుతుందా? So like that, I wanted to show you some couple of visualizations. So I go here. So whatever you wanted to have it, you should be able to have it. It's very, very simple, not very complex, right? So let me create some visualizations here. Now, for what is the total profit? How do you show the profits? It's card visualization, right? So you go and I wanted to show you the profit and create shadow tooltip, not tooltip, shadow border, whatever you would like to create. Control C, Control V. I want to create a total three items. Okay, so this one, you go and I want to have a sales amount. One is sales amount, one is profit. I would like to go and increase the, put the freight amount. So, lot of things I have created. I would like to create one more visualization. So in this visualization, I wanted to have, let us say, region-wise drag and drop region and what is the sales that has. So go and format painter. You will be able to have, let me take this kind of a visualization. So which region is doing beautifully means, so we can say the south or north region. So whatever you would like to have it. So within this, I wanted to have one more visualization. I wanted to have a product category data and I wanted to have the sales data. So something like this, I would like to create some visualizations. Okay. I go and apply format painter. When you have only one dimension, we never use legend. So legend is off. Now click on the labels. You must use the category and this so that everything is fine. So it's working fine. So this is what is a simple uh, visualizations that I have created. Now, what to show, what to hide. Okay, what to show, what to hide. You will be able to get it very, very easily. What to show, what to hide means, so when you go to view menu, there is a bookmarks and selection pane is available. Okay, so selection pane, so it can show you what to hide. So when you click on this, it will get hidden. When you click on this, the next thing will get hidden. So you will hide everything. So nobody knows that you have some visualizations. It is only to simply hide and close, nothing else. It's very simple, nothing. So selection pane where you should be able to, hide or close. So click on this, but this will give you a beautiness. This will give you a beautiness when you work with the bookmarks. Otherwise, it is simply there is no use. Okay, simply there is no use. Let me switch on both. So I need the selection pane that is there. I need the bookmarks also. So bookmarks where you have only one button add. So what is that add? I told you. When the Indian customer comes, you would like to show some food. When the American customer comes, you have to show one food. Food means here visualizations. I would like to create. So when the rename, okay. So click on add and rename. So what is that you would like to rename? It is India, managers wanted to see something and click on. So you can rename this as, let us say, American, managers wanted to see some visualizations, right? So these are the visualizations. For example, this and this has to be shown to the India customers and this to be shown to the American customers. That is what is your, this one. So you go to, this one. So you click on this. This is the card visualization. This first one, right? You wanted to show one, two, three. These three items you want to show it to. So one, this one you would like to show, and two, this one you wanted to show, this one you wanted to show. Okay, and this one you wanted to hide for Indian customers, right? So that you have to go there and hide it, right? And you go, so whatever you would like to hide it, you should be able to go and hide it. And this is the one also you should be able to hide it. Okay, after hiding it, you go, you update it. Okay, so for Indian customers, these two are hidden. Clear? For American customers, these three need to be hidden. So click on this. You want it to, hide this. and click on this, you would like to hide this. Click on this, you would like to what? Hide this. Now you have to go to America, right click on this, update. Clear? So you have done the updation. So right click on this, you update. So when you click on India, only these three are shown. When you click on America, so I think I did not properly done this. So I would like to, you know, hide this. I would like to click on this and I would like to, so click on this. You need to patiently do this. So you need to hide this, right? So then click on this. You would like to hide this, okay? So keep updating it, okay? So now this one, I would like to go here and I would like to hide and keep updating is this. So something is not happening properly, okay? So you go here, you keep updating it. So whatever you would like to show it. So you go here, you keep updating it here. Okay. So now when you click on India, you will be able to get these three. When you click on America, you should be able to get these three. Clear? So if you wanted to show all, so I want to show the reset. You wanted to have reset means it has to come to the normal. So normal means create one more item. It's called bookmark. So you can say reset. Reset means, sorry, you can go and rename. Reset means it has to come to the normal state. In the normal state, everything you need to show, show. Go to here and click on this. Now you should be able to say update, right? When you go to India, this is hidden. When you go to America, this is coming. When you reset, everything is shown. Clear? So like that, we can create a bookmarks and selection pan, whatever you want to have it, or you want to do something else also. So you want to do, for example, sometimes I go here. I want to do spotlight. Spotlight means you can just, only show this, but not anything else. For example, when one more customer comes, is a special guest, okay? Special CEO comes, you would like to showcase only one thing, okay? So you create a one more group. CEO comes. When CEO comes, you would like to highlight something, okay? So remaining things you would like to, do this. So when this fellow comes, you would like to highlight something, right? So you can simply go and spotlight means highlight. I would like to highlight this guy. So whenever this guy comes, go here, go here. Reset means all. So when the CEO comes, you would like to highlight, right? What is it? I need to show, hide everything. So I would like to, let me go here and hide and update, hide and update it, update. Now hide, update. Now you go to this one. Let me go here. And I wanted to give a spotlight, okay, when you click on the CEO. So let me go here. I will be able to get this. I will be able to get this. I will be able to get this. When you click on this, you should be able to get, let me update this. Spotlight means only that one will come, nothing else. Okay. So you can just go to America, this one, reset CEO. So highlight means, spotlight means only this will get highlighted, not the other one. Even though I'm not hiding it, so I go here, I will be able to get it. When I click on this, so this will get spotlight is on. Spotlight is on means this is the one. So always you show like this and you go and you click on update. Clear? So like that, you should be able to create bookmarks and selection pan. These are pretty much easy. What is that you would like to show? And the current state of the table for American, This is what is a state. For the Indian, this is what is a state. For the CEO, this is what I would like to use it. For the reset means everything I would like to show, right? So with the help of a bookmarks and selection pen, you will be able to understand these kind of a things. These are pretty much easy. You should be able to create like that, and you should be able to use them in your area. Clear, guys? This is what is called bookmarks and selection pen, so that you can have it. So people can create all these bookmarks that are available when you deploy the reports to the Power BI service. So people can click on that button, so automatically they will be able to see only the corresponding values and reports and visualizations. Clear? So that is what is called selection pan and bookmarks. So which is very, very easy and hide and show. But you can use a selection pen along with the bookmarks. Then only you will be able to get much more, good look and feel. Okay. So we completed the Power View topics, and whatever we discussed, you concentrate on them. So whatever is not discussed, you can forget about it. But whatever we discussed, so even though we discussed almost all the content, all the visualizations, but only 10 10 visualizations already we have discussed about almost 30-35 visualizations, right? But out of which you will be able to get a maximum 10 visualizations in your dashboards. You can go to any sample dashboard, maximum stuff we would have used it, right? So when to use this one, when to use that one, so people may ask you that kind of a questions. But otherwise they don't ask much on visualizations. They'll ask much more on the DAX, much more on the SQL server end, and much more on what kind of a transformation you have used it, how many reports you have created, how many what are the DAX functions you have used it. Whatever we discussed, you tell them that I have used only those functions. And if they say some XYZ function, have you used it? You can tell them that no, in my project I never used it. So there may be hundreds of functions. We never study all the functions, right? We use only 20-30% of the functions. You can tell them that these are the DEX functions we have used it. So if they ask you something else, you can clearly mention that I never worked on those functions. That's it. Clear? In SQL Server also, whatever you know it, so you need to practice. In SQL Server, I told you queries are important topic. CTE, common table expression, temporary table, stored procedures, and indexes. These are the topics you must know very well in SQL Server, right? So creating a table, dropping a table, nobody will ask you, right? So queries, basic queries, grouping clause, where clause, having clause, subqueries, joins, temporary tables, right? So all of them will be asked. Joins are pretty much complex, and you need to study, and you need to perform good in the interviews, guys. So complete queries, derived tables, ranking functions, CTEs, temporary tables, difference between CTE, temporary table, table variables, then all the lessons of store procedures, try catch blocks, error handling in the store procedures. Then after that, one more topic called indexes. Clear? So these are the topics, so you have to know clearly. If they ask you, do you know anything about triggers? I never implemented. Do you know anything about cursors? There is a cursor topic I have recorded and given to you. So you can just watch once and just leave it, right? So, but these topics we have to go in depth and practice as part of SQL Server. As part of SSIS, you have to know incremental loading, full loading, SCD transformation, slowly changing dimension. Then you have to know how do you load the data and what is the data warehousing, what are the issues which you have faced in your loading the data into the data warehousing. All of them will be asked. Tell me the project architecture, tell me the dimension tables and fact tables in your data warehousing, tell me what is the structure you have, and tell me how did you load the data. Tell me one package from starting to ending, how did you creating a package, take one dimension table from your data warehousing and explain from starting to end, how do you do that. So to answer this question, you have to do a project, okay, real time project, major project. So if you know SSIS, that you can start the project. And the SSIS classes are going to start from next coming Monday morning, 9:30 to 10:30. So I'm not guaranteed whether it will be there in the from January or not. From January onwards, we're planning to give the SSIS videos only. And in the place of SSIS, I'm going to start Azure classes. Clear? So that is the reason why we wanted to, stop SSIS for some time. And this is I think probably this is the last batch for SSIS. If you wanted to attend live batches, you can attend. Okay. Otherwise, from the next month, if the SSIS is there, you can attend live batches. If not, you can take those videos, you can buy those videos. So SSIS is at extra cost. Okay. So you can buy those videos and continue next month. Without SSIS, don't ask me this question as well. Without SSIS, don't go for the, job. Okay. If you ask me the question, I'll kill you. So don't ask me. SSIS is very, very, very important. Clear? So data warehousing is important, SSIS is important, SQL is more important than Power BI. So 60 to 70% of the questions are going to come from SQL Server only. You attend, you will come to know. Only few questions, remaining 40% will be from SSIS, SSRS, Power BI, and data warehousing and everything. So even though you don't know SSRS, so leave it, but SSIS, data warehousing, and Power BI. Okay. If somebody asks you, do you know SSRS means? I don't know, but I can learn Power BI. But Power BI for SSRS for 10 days. So if you don't know SSRS, if they say we need also SSRS, you can clearly tell them that I can learn within 10 days of time, so 1 week of time. Learning SSRS is pretty much easy. Okay. Thank you guys. From tomorrow, we don't have classes, and from Monday, my Saturday, Sunday, we don't have classes, right? Monday, we'll start with new topic. Okay. So any questions? So